Welcome to But Chess School. Today we are explaining opening traps on Sicilian Dragon. One of the famous opening Sicilian Dragon after e4, c5, knight f3, d6, d4, c into d4, knight into d4, knight f6, knight c3, then g6. It is a very famous opening. Here bishop e3 is the regular move. Bishop e3, it is the regular move. But here white played nd5, played the same piece. Actually, theoretically it is mistake. Don't play same piece again and again. But it is a settled trap. So he played this. Now if today we are taking this lesson on if knight into e4, what will happen? Now bishop b5 check, not queen e2, because queen a5 check. If nc3, then knight into c3, queen d2, then queen e5 check and become the piece up and black will win. And after queen e2, queen a5 check, if b4, then queen into d5, again black is winning. So after ne4, bb5 check is the correct move for white. bd7, if black plays knight d7, then queen e2, bishop g7. If nec5, then nf6 is the checkmate. So after bg7, queen into e4, bishop into d4, queen into d4, rook attack. If e5, then queen b4, d6 is weakness. Castles, queen into d6 is full advantage for white. Suppose here also if he played rb8, bishop h6, rook attack. If rook e8, bishop into d7, bishop d7, nf6 check, king h8, knight into e8, queen into e8, then queen f6 check, kg8, queen g7 checkmate. After ne8, if he played bishop e8, then queen f8 is the mate. So after nd7, queen e2, bg7, queen into e4, bishop into d4, queen d4. If here rook b8, if here queen a5, then b4, queen into b5, queen h8 check, nf8, knight c7 check, and black will lose his queen and white is completely winning. So Sicilian Dragon after g6 and d5, knight into e4, bishop b5 check, bishop d7. Now queen e2 is the correct move, because if knight moves, then nf6 checkmate. If f5, knight e6, queen attack, because d7 bishop is win. Bishop b5, then knight into queen, bishop into queen into b5 check, queen d7, ndc7 check, king f7, queen d5 discover attack, knight f6 is queen attack, then nd8 check, kg7, queen f7 is the mate. So after queen e2, if bishop into b5, then queen into e4, threatening nf6 mate and winning the bishop also. If bishop c6, knight f6 is the mate. So queen a5, then bishop d2, queen attack, f5, counter attack, then nf6 check, king f7, queen e6 check, kg7, nf5 check, g into f5, nh5 checkmate. Even after queen into e4, e6, then n into b5, nc6 queen attack, ndc7 check, king e7, not kd7, n into a8, king e7, then bg5 check, f6, queen into e6 checkmate. So it is the very famous opening trap in dragon. After g6, nd5 and n into e4 is the mistake. Because of bb5, bd7 and queen e2, white is outrightly winning.